Hello, friends! I'm so excited to take you on a journey through Florida's plant kingdom. Did you know that plants come in all shapes and sizes just like us? Some are tiny like baby sharks, others are tall like daddy sharks, and some have special underground parts that help them grow. Let's dive into the wonderful world of Florida plants and learn how we can group them by their size, shape, and special features. Are you ready? Let's go! Remember our plant song. Plants, plants, so many types, big and small, they're all so nice. First, let's meet the ground huggers. These are called ground covers, and they're like nature's carpets. They stay low to the ground and spread out wide, covering areas where grass won't grow. Some Florida ground covers are beach sunflower, Asiatic jasmine, and gopher apple. They're like nature's blankets, keeping the soil warm and protected. Can you crouch down low like a ground cover? Now let's dance with the grasses. Grasses are the swaying dancers of the plant world. They grow in clumps or tufts and have long, narrow, blade-like leaves that sway gracefully in the wind. In Florida, we have lawn grasses like St. Augustine and colorful ornamental grasses that come in blue, purple, orange, and red. Let's all sway like grasses together. Wiggle your arms high in the air and sway side to side. Now let's go on an underground adventure. Some plants have special underground stems called rhizomes. They're like secret tunnels that help plants spread. Plants with rhizomes are like having a secret underground family network. Wild taro, leadwort, and some ferns have these cool underground stems. Can you pretend to be a rhizome and crawl on the ground? Let's look up and meet the friendly giants. Trees. We have small trees that are like neighborhood friends, perfect for small yards and patios. They're 3 to 25 feet tall, like the Simpsons stopper and red buckeye. Medium trees are our shade makers, 25 to 50 feet tall, like the red maple and sweet bay magnolia. And the large trees are our majestic giants, over 50 feet tall, like the southern magnolia and bald cypress. Some can even grow over 100 feet tall. Wow, can you stretch your arms up high like a tall tree? Now let's meet the tropical superstars. Palm trees. Palms are special because they don't branch like other trees. They have either feather-like leaves or fan-shaped leaves like different hairstyles. Did you know that Florida's state tree is a palm called the cabbage palm? Palms are so strong they can even survive hurricanes better than most trees. Let's all make palm tree shapes with our arms. Last but not least, let's say hello to the helpful shrubs. Shrubs are like the middle children of the plant world. They're usually 3 to 15 feet tall and have multiple stems. Some have beautiful flowers like azaleas, and others have cool berries like beautyberry. Shrubs are great for making hedges and filling in spaces in your garden. Can you make a round shape with your arms like a shrub? Wow! We've learned so much about Florida's amazing plants! Remember our plant song? It was all about different types of plants, big and small. You can have fun exploring plants too. Try sorting plants by size in your yard, or carefully dig to find rhizomes. Always ask an adult for help when digging. Feel the different textures of leaves. Some are smooth, some are rough. Look for plants in different colors. Florida has so many beautiful shades. Always remember to pick the right plant for the right place in your garden. Ask an adult to help you choose. Thanks for joining me on this plant adventure. Until next time, keep growing and learning.